This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. So let's begin our session. Let us see today software management one part. Today I'm going to take a very smaller session when compared to our daily classes. So we are going to learn today software management, and inside it there are two modules. Okay, yes, Shabir, you can go ahead, please. You can do it from any directory you are. It's not necessary that you should be present in the same directory. You need to give proper path. The source path you have to mention. If you have seen, I was always giving the absolute path. Although I was in rsync, but I was telling what? I was telling slash something. Let me show you the syntax, what I was using. See over here, let me go with previous fellow. Right, over here you can see I'm always telling slash app. So suppose you are not at the same location, doesn't matter. You just need to give proper location, exact location from where to start. So suppose if the directory is slash app, you have to give slash app. If you are already in the same directory, then instead of typing app, you may just type dot. That will also work, but giving an absolute path would be a better idea. So you don't need to have to be in the same directory. You can be anywhere in the system. Just give the absolute and full path of the directory. That's it. That is enough. Oops, sorry, the 50 machine is down. Anyway, so I was talking about software management. So as you know, the name itself is telling us, guys, software management is all about dealing with software or managing the software in our system. So when we talk about software management, it is all about installing, uninstalling, updating, querying, verifying. All these tasks will come under software management task. And to deal with software management, we have basically two utilities. One is RPM and the other one is YUM. RPM stands for Red Hat Package Manager and YUM stands for Yellow Dog Updater Modified. But from Red Hat 8, YUM is being deprecated, and in place of YUM now we have DNF or Dandified YUM. Sorry. So today what we are going to see is RPM, Red Hat Package Manager. So how does RPM or Red Hat Package Manager will work? Let's try to understand. So our today's class will be only on RPM. The YUM and DNF separately one class I'll take it. It's a very lengthy topic, so I don't want to mix and make it tedious. So anyway, RPM stands for Red Hat Package Manager itself. It is a tool to do all software management tasks, and all the software in Red Hat especially will be available in .rpm format. Like in Windows, you see all the installable software will be available in .exe format. So here, all the software will be available in .rpm format. Now, usually, guys, RPMs are available in two format. It would be either I386 format, which is nothing but 32-bit software. See, with respect to your operating system, you have to install related software. If your OS is 32-bit, you need 32-bit software. Or if your OS is 64-bit, then you will find x86 64-bit. So these are nothing but what? 64-bit software. How can I check what is the architecture of our machine? See, you can just run uname-r. Over here, you can see it is telling you x86 64-bit, or you can say uname-m, or a simple command arc. When you run arc, it is going to display the architecture that is 64-bit. So as our operating system is 64-bit, we need to install only 64-bit software. Now, one more thing I'd like to tell you that since Red Hat 7, we have learned at the time of installation, I told you that since Red Hat 7, 32-bit is outdated, right? So there is no 32-bit operating system available from Red Hat 7. Till Red Hat 6, we used to have 32-bit, but from Red Hat 7, only 64-bit versions are available. So as OS is available in 64-bit, so then all the software, they are also available in 64-bit only. So there is no 32-bit version whatsoever. Okay, all right. Now moving forward, I would like to uh, learn one more format is there. I'm sorry, I was about to forget it. See, there is one more format of software that are available, which will be no arc. Now, what is that no arc? See, no arc does not holds any specific architecture. All no-arc software can be installed on 32-bit version also, and it can also be installed on 64-bit versions as well. There is no specific architecture it requires. You can install it on any architecture of your choice, either 32-bit or 64-bit whatsoever, right? So now whatever software you might be seeing, they would be available either in NOAAC format or it would be available in 64-bit format only. All right, fine. Now let's move ahead and let's try to learn how to check softwares are installed, what are the software installed, their details and all. Very interesting chapter this is, guys. See, I have shown you few commands related to RPM early also. See, RPM, all commands will start with RPM only. Flags or options will be keep on changing. For instance, you wanted to view all the software that are currently installed. So you can go with RPM-QA, where Q stands for query and A stands for all, as it is mentioned in your manual also. If you can see RPM-QA, Q is for query and A stands for all. When we run this command, let me get rid of this notepad. When we run this command, it produces a big output that is nothing but the list of all installed software in your system. These are all software which are currently installed in your machine. That's fine. I'm not interested to see all software. Maybe I just wanted to see a particular software it is installed or not. So I'll go for RPM-Q. That's it. No need to use any other flag after that. And the software name. For example, I want to see sudo package is there or not, or um, open SSH package is there or not, or maybe bash package is there or not. So like that, what you can do, you can view a particular package is there or not. Let us say that I know only initial few words. Maybe I know the word open. Now I would like to list out all the software with the name called open. I want to see all the software with the name open. So I'll go for RPM-QA and I'll type open and then I'll give star. What does it do? It lists out all the software which is starting with the word open. Remember, these are all installed software. These softwares are currently installed in your machine. So like that, you can go for a specific software and check whether it is there or not, or you can list out all the software starting with some name of your choice. Now this is called listing out, querying, or viewing the software. Now I would like to install a particular software. How can I install a particular software in my machine? See, to install a particular software, you must first know, or at least you should go to that location where all softwares are dumped and kept. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this scenario is I'm going to first of all mount Red Hat DVD. For that, I will go to the settings of my virtual machine, and in the storage option, I will check Red Hat DVD is connected or not. If it is not connected, you can click on that DVD button and connect it. So in my case, Red Hat DVD is already connected, so I don't have to do anything else. Let me click on OK, come back to terminal and run this command mount slash dev sr0. See, sr0 is nothing but your DVD name, the DVD drive name. Where you want to mount it, I want to mount it on a media folder. So I'm telling mount so and so device on media folder. Now let me hit enter, go with mount and grep for uh, SR0. Did you find that dev SR0 is now connected to media? That means your Red Hat DVD is now available through media folder. It means if you go into slash media, you are going to get your Red Hat DVD content. So this is the content of my DVD. Now in your DVD, previously guys, when we used to work till Red Hat 7, we used to have a simple directory called packages. So we used to come to media folder after mounting, and there used to be a folder called packages where all the software packages used to be there. But from Red Hat 8, we have a different structure of Red Hat DVD. In here, you see we have app stream, and the other one is base OS. Two type of directories are available. See, what they did is they have simply segregated the software, OS software and third-party software. All OS related software they have kept in base OS, and all third-party software they have kept in AppStream. So if you want to go for third-party software like Mozilla Firefox, ZSH, VLC Media Player kind of things, then that can be found. I don't know VLC Media Player will be there or not, but I'm just telling that all third-party software will be there in AppStream. And OS and OS related software you will find in base OS. So whether you go to AppStream, you will find packages folder, or you go into base OS, you find packages folder. So suppose I'll go into base OS, and inside it I'll go into packages folder. Now you do ls, it is going to list out all the software that are available. For example, I wanted to check out, is there a software available with the name ZSH? Yes. Now don't worry guys, what is ZSH, what it will do. I'm just taking, you can take any package as an example. I'm taking ZSH package as an example to install it. I'm taking one piece of software and I'm trying to install it. That's it, as simple as that. So how can I install this package? See, first of all, I came to that location where the software is kept. Now, once I am into that location, I'm executing this command. What command? The command is rpm hyphen ivh, where I stands for install, V stands for verbose view, and H stands for hash progress. I for install, V for verbose, and H for hash progress. That's the way I can go for uh, installing a package. So let me go for it. I'll say rpm hyphen ivh and the package name is ZSH so and so. Now guys, when I hit enter, the package will get installed. But yesterday, while we were working with rsync, we came across one option, dry run. What it used to do, dry run will just show you a preview, and that is very helpful, isn't it? So same thing I want to do here. Before installing the package, I just want to test the package whether it is good or not. So you can go with hyphen hyphen test. So it shows you a preview of installation. If there are any errors, if there are any prerequisites, it is going to list out over here and tell you that so and so is the problem, or so and so is the prerequisite of this software, or you have to install few more software. After that, you can install this software, like that. So always testing the package before installation is a good idea. So as you can see, there is no problem with that package. If I check rpm-q zsh, it is not yet installed. So package did not got installed. It was only a preview. Now I will go with the package and let me hit enter, rpm-ivh and the package name. Now when I hit enter, this time the package will actually get installed. If you run rpm-q now, you will find that the package is currently installed. So this is the way, guys, how you can actually install a package. Now if you check rpm-q, the package is installed. Suppose I have installed a package whose version is 5.5.1. Now, over a period of time, what happens, guys? New versions of the package will be released. Like in our mobile phones, also, it happens time to time. There will be new updates available for the software, and we will update it. So, same thing might happen over here also, that I would like to update the package. Step number one, you should download the update first, maybe from internet, or again if it is available in Red Hat DVD, go to that place where you have kept that updated package. And last time we ran the command rpm-ivh. To update a package, you have to say rpm-uvh, where U stands for update. So what it is going to do, it is going to update a package to its next level. Now let me hit enter. See, as we are already having the same version, so it says the version that you are trying to install is already installed. You cannot upgrade it. So I just showed you. Anyway, that is the latest version that is available, so it won't be updated to next level as of now. Now, once we have found the update, you can update it to the next level. So this is the way, guys, how you can install a package or you can update a package. Now let us say I would like to remove a package. One more thing. See, do I need to be present in the same directory where the software is to install? Not necessarily. If I am not in the same directory, just give me a moment, guys. Just 1 minute. I'll be. Thank you very much, guys. Sorry about that break. Anyway, so as I was telling you that, do we really need to be in the same directory to install a package? Not necessarily. See, suppose the package is kept in media, base OS, packages folder. So how can I install it from anywhere? Right now I'm in root. You can just say rpm-ivh and you can say go to media folder. Inside media, suppose there is base OS folder. In base OS, there is packages folder. In packages folder, there is ZSH. Now, when you hit enter, it will go to that location and install that package for you. So you don't need to be that location. But what I prefer is, instead of remembering so much big path, if you can go to that location and install it, it would be quite simple, small path, and package might get installed. Anyway, so we have learned how to install the package and we have learned how to update a package to next level. Now let us say I would like to remove a package or uninstall the package. As you can see, the package ZSH is installed and I would like to uninstall or remove that package. To uninstall or remove a package, I'll go with the command rpm hyphen EVH. See, IVH is for install verbose hash progress. UVH update verbose hash progress. Hash progress is nothing but it will show the progress in hashes 10%, 20%, 30% like that, right? So for removing, we have EVH, erase verbose hash progress. And what is the package name? The package name is ZSH. Even just typing the initial name is enough. Let me hit enter and you see that the package is removed. If you want, you can do first testing and then you can remove. That is also possible. Now, if you go with rpm-q, you see the package is no more installed. It is gone from your system. All right, great. Now let's do some more interesting tasks related to software management. Suppose guys, I have lots of packages installed in my system. Many packages are there. It's a huge list that it is listing out. Now I don't really know what is the role of this package CPIO. Why that package is installed and what is the benefit I'm going to get with that particular package. So if you want to view the details about a package which is already installed, then you can go for RPM hyphen QI. See, normally I was telling IVH, but this time I'm telling QNI. That means query. Get me information about this package. What is the package name? The package name is CPIO. When I hit enter, you see it is presenting me the great detail about that package. What is the name? What is the version? What is the release? What is the architecture, when it was installed, and a big description. It is telling you that what it actually will be doing for you. Okay, so this is the way how you can get the details about a package. Now let us say that I would like to check the detail about a package which is not installed. Maybe I have downloaded the package and I have kept it in some location, like we saw ZSH. What is ZSH? ZSH is a package which was available in my Red Hat DVD. Now I would like to check the details about that package ZSH. See, I'm not in the location where the software is available, so I have to give full path. I need to say rpm hyphen QIP, query information about this path. What is the path? Go to media in base OS. There is packages inside it. ZSH is there. If you are already in the same location, you don't have to use that P option. You can simply say again rpm-qi. But as I was not present in the location, I use P option to go to that path. And then I mention, tell me the detail about that location. Let me hit enter. And you see, it told you the detail and it tells that it is not yet installed in your machine. And what is ZSH? Here is the description, what it is giving. So this is the way you can check the details about the packages which is installed or the packages which are downloaded and not yet installed. Now let us say that I have an issue. Now guys, this is really an interesting and important task what I'm going to show you now. Let us say that I have a command. This happens sometimes, guys, whenever you upgraded the version of Red Hat from one minor version to another minor version, you might have some problems that few commands may not work properly. So in that scenario, how can I fix the command? Let us say that one of the command is not functioning properly. Earlier it was working fine, but now when I'm working with that, it is not responding or it is not working fine. How can I fix a corrupted command? Very important task, guys. For example, I have a command called um, usermod. Let's say this command is not working properly. It is giving me some errors and I want to fix usermod command. How can you fix any corrupted command, guys? See, you need to find this command is associated with which software or which package. Package is nothing but software. So you need to find that this command is associated with which package, and that package you have to reinstall and it will fix. But the question is, how can I know which command is associated with which package? See, you have to find the location of the command, which user mod. You know which command, right? Which will tell you the location or file location of the command. Now run the command rpm -qf, where Q stands for query and F stands for file location. What's the file location? I'll just copy paste it and hit enter. Did you see it is showing you that usermod command belongs to a package shadow utils. So if usermod is not working fine, I just need to reinstall shadow utils and this is going to fix my corrupted command. In fact, guys, let us corrupt one command and let us fix it. See, let's say I have a command called cat command, or not cat command, let's take mount command. And there is one more command called date command. You know what both commands will do. Date command will display the date and time, and mount command will show all current mount status. Now these two are nothing but scripts, guys. You cannot read it. If you try to read, it is binary format. You can say cat and try to read it, you will be failing. It won't work. Okay, so when you say script, if I make changes in the script, the command will be corrupted, isn't it? So let's corrupt that command. In fact, what I'll do is I'll copy the entire date script on mount script. So entire date script I'm copying on mount script. Do you want to overwrite mount? Yes. Now you see when I say date command, date will be displayed. But when I say mount command, instead of displaying the date, you see, instead of displaying the mount points, I'm sorry, it is going to display date. So my mount command is corrupted. It is not functioning proper. See, mount command has to show me the current mount points. Instead of showing the mount points, it is showing me the date. So command is corrupted. How can I fix it? To fix it, first of all, I'll say which mount, and I'll say rpm-qf usr bin mount. Did I found the package name util linux 2.32 something? So what I have to do here, I need to go to my Red Hat DVD, go to base OS because this is OS related thing. So go to base OS and search, do you have util Linux package there or not? So maybe I'll go to my DVD, which is media, inside it, base OS, inside it, packages folder, and let me search for util Linux package. Did you see, guys, the top fellow? That is your util Linux 2.32, exactly the same version what it is telling. Let me now reinstall that package. So I'll say rpm hyphen IVH to install the package. What's the location? Media, base OS, packages, util Linux, package name. Now let me hit enter. Now guys, it says package installed. You try running mount command again. Is it fixed? No. Why it is not fixed? You see the message what you have received is the package what you are trying to install is already installed. So guys, when you try to install a package which is already there, it is going to reject it obviously. If something is started, how much more will you start it? Isn't it? That's the question. The package is installed. How much more will you install it? So it rejected and told that this package is already installed. We can't do anything about it. Okay, then what to do? You have two choices. Choice number one, completely uninstall the package and freshly install it. But this is not recommended, guys. See, if something is not working, I don't want to completely break and fix it, right? Or replace it. Suppose you have 3-floor building. Now, if you want to repair any floor, you won't demolish everything and repair it, isn't it? So one place, whatever is not proper, you are going to repair it. So same thing I'm going to do over here. I'm not going to uninstall any package, but I will be reinstalling something by using an option hyphen force. So it's like I'm telling the RPM command that I know the package is already there, but I still want to reinstall it. I'm adamant about it. I want it to be reinstalled one more time. So I'm telling that although the package is installed, I don't care. I want to reinstall it. So let me hit enter. And this time you see it did not show any message and the package got installed. So there can be a question in interview that how can you reinstall a package using RPM command? So there is no rpm-rvh command reinstall. There is nothing like that. So you need to do force installation that is going to reinstall a package. Now, if you check mount command, has it fixed, guys? Am I able to see proper mount output now? Yes. So this is the way how you can fix a corrupted command. And this is really important, guys. Really important, believe me, because it may happen anytime. It happens sometimes, due to a wrong script or sometimes untested script you have run and that has manipulated the command. It may affect workability. So you should know how to fix that corrupted command by going with that. If at all reinstallation is not fixing the issue, then last thing you can do is you can uninstall and install the package. But 99.999% this will fix your corrupted commands. Okay. All right. Now moving forward, next thing what I wanted to do here is uh, getting the information about configuration files. Now this is also really tough thing, guys. See, thousands of packages are installed and each package might have number of configuration files. Can you remember each software related configuration files always? It is very tough, guys, really tough, isn't it? I may not be able to remember all the configuration files. Regularly, whichever software, whichever config files I'll be using, I know that. But each and every configuration file to remember, it would be very tough. So suppose I have a package installed called sudo. I want to see that sudo is having how many configuration files. How can I check that? You can go with rpm hyphen Hello everyone. Yes. Yeah, I'm really sorry. I lost the connectivity to internet. Anyway, so I was telling you that if you run this command rpm-qlc, it is going to display all the configuration files that you have related to your package. So you can just say rpm-qlc and go for that particular package. It is going to list out all the configuration files. Like you see, we have etc sudoers, etc sudo.conf. These are the important files. One more thing is there, guys. Every software comes with number of documents also. Like normally a software will be having readme document, right? In Windows you might have seen. Same like that, we have some important documents. These are really important, guys. We have something called troubleshooting documents. So any point of time, if you have any problem with your software, right? So how to fix it? Troubleshooting tips are really important. So how to know where are the documents related to any package? So you need to say rpm-qld. QLC is for query list configurations. QLD is to list documentations. So when I hit enter, you see contributors, history, news, readme, readme LDAP, troubleshooting, upgrade, PAM configuration, sudo configuration, sudoers, many are there, right? So any point of time, if you have any trouble or you want to learn more about anything, you can read this document and you can get more information, right? So these are the important commands, guys, what we have to learn with RPM. One last option with RPM is RPM hyphen capital V followed by any package. What does this will do? What does that capital V stands for? See, capital V is not for verbose output. Capital V is to verify. Suppose there is an issue going on with your software and you want to find out that which is the recent file that has been edited related to this package. I just want to know that which was the last file edited related to this package. So guys, it won't exactly tell you that when it was edited, what was the time, which line edited, but it just gives you a hint that go to this file and this file was changed recently. So when I hit enter, you see it is telling you, it's not telling exactly what time when, but it is giving you a hint that etc sudoers is a file that has been edited related to that sudo file. Very frequently or very recently that particular thing has happened. So this is where, guys, I can find out that which was the last file edited related to any particular package, right? So this is it, guys. This is it about your RPM. These are the important stuff what we have learned. As I told you that software management is divided into two important parts. In fact, three now. Earlier we used to have RPM and YUM. Now we have RPM, YUM, and DNF. So I did not wanted to collaborate all. So YUM and DNF we will see tomorrow. So far, if you have any doubts, guys, any questions, any previous class questions, anywhere you have stuck, you can put your question, guys. I'll give you time now. If there are any doubts, any previous topics also, let me know. Okay, there is a question after installing the package, don't we have to start the service to run it properly? There are few software that required services to start, and there are few software which does not have any related services. Important software like FTP or DNS, Samba, which we are going to learn, there we will learn perfectly that which software has what service. Now, simple softwares like ZSH or other things, they don't have any related services to start. But yes, in most of the context, what happened is there is related service that you have to start, but not in all the cases. Definitely, we are going to touch that thing when we go to servers like NFS, HTTP. They have definitely services, and we will learn about it. Yes, anything else, guys? I'm available. Okay, it seems there are no more questions. People just left without even letting us know. So, courtesy. Okay, fine. So, no problem. We will stop the session here and let's meet up tomorrow and continue with next session. Thank you very much.